Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to check student punches and mark attendance from Attendpro. Click on your branch name and click on reports, click on biometric. On this page you will be able to see your biometric report. Check for your today's schedule by clicking on lectures, click on schedules. I have this schedule. Let's go to Attendpro. In Attendpro, check here people first, that all the people name are visible or not, all student name and faculty name. If not, then just refresh. After that, click on punches, click on refresh. After refreshing the data, you will find here all the in-student punch data here. I have set my setting. To 30 minutes. Go to schedules and check if the lecture attendance has been marked or not. Click on mark attendance. Once you have clicked on mark attendance, check your class pro. You will be able to see the attendance has been marked by Attendpro. Thank you.